Hello. It is Wednesday today. No, it's Tuesday. I'm filming a vlog. I filmed a vlog before this, but I accidentally deleted one of the clips, so the whole video that I even edited it and everything. But I couldn't even access the video because I deleted something. But I'm at work right now. I'm on my break and I quickly got McDonald's because I'm so hungry. Tomorrow me and Adam are going to drive to Sydney to see a car. We've been looking for cars for a while now. Not looking at them, but we're looking at them on Facebook. We haven't actually gone to see one yet, but that's what we're doing tomorrow. So I think Adam's gonna buy a car tomorrow. I hope, because it's like a 2.5 hour drive, which will not be fun if there's something wrong with the car, so it's really risky. But yeah, hopefully nothing's wrong with it and he can buy it, his first car. Hello everyone. Oh my god. Hello. It is Wednesday today. It's very dark. I'm in the car park of Green Hills. We just did a huge shop of presents for my mum's birthday. We got a bunch of things. I'll probably wrap them either tonight or tomorrow, and I'll do a little haul and show me wrapping them. But yeah, we're about to go to Sydney to get Adam's car. Yeah, but he went to the toilet and he's taking a long time. So, anyways, I'm gonna go. Okay, sorry about the shit ass lighting, but we've got the car. I have to drive it because Adam doesn't have his manual license yet. And it's kind of scary because it's very different compared to my car. That's what it looks like. Cool. I'm just about to charge my phone and we're going to 7-Eleven. So you're running. It literally does. This is Adam's new car. Could you open it so I could have a look at the inside?
It's just fucking...
Oh.
There's no tread on the tires.
Is that why?
Yeah.
There is a...
It's bold on the back.
Is that why? They need new tires.
I mean, it was already cheap. It doesn't bother me, but... I mean, I got them down a bit. Yeah.
That's why I fucking nearly died. This is the middle. I meant the in between. I meant the inside. It's a manual. And you're gonna put car seats on it because that's gross. Yeah.
What are we gonna change?
New roof.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the rust.
Yeah. We've got paint.
Yeah.
And everything because your car's the same color as mine.
It's gonna be easy because the car's so low.
No, literally.
I'm gonna take the tint off.
Yeah. Oh well. It's still, I love this. I won't show you the number plate, but I love that.
Yeah. Oh, did they tint the back? I swear.
Probably. It's got my mum's wheels. You're gonna do change that?
Get it 1 inch bigger. To alloy.
I reckon the tyres, the worn out tyres, is why I was slipping so much on the way home.
They're literally flat.
And it was raining.
So that means
and there
they're
was
pretty good. They're flat.
No, they weren't. I thought I was gonna die. No wonder why they're fucking. Anyways, I'll meet you home. Okay, we're about to head home, but basically what me and Adam were like kind of going on about out there was the tires. So I drove his car home. It's got a few things that aren't like legal, like the window. Is he gonna let me go? The window is tinted too much. Sorry, I'm being so stupid. So the windows are like too dark and it's loud, but it's not like so loud. Like it's pretty good. It's a good sound. Because I hate those cars that when they drive past you and like rev the shit out of their car, it sounds horrible. Well, this one sounds really good. Like it just sounds perfect. But so yes, I drove it home. I was about to go. I drove it home and it was raining. We were doing 110 on the highway or freeway or something way. There he is. I can't even see you. I can see you now. Hello. We gonna race? I'm winning. Well, he's still getting used to it, by the way. Like, I had to get used to it so much because they're both manual, but my car, like, I don't know. It's just like, it's different. Anyways. So, yes, we were driving, right? And it was raining. We were doing 110. It was just like, it was kind of awful weather. And, the cars, they weren't tires.
I'll race you to before the curve.
Okay.
I just can't turn in these very well.
Turn?
Yeah.
Oh. Why? He's winning, I let him. Anyways. So yes, it was just the tires were spinning. Actually, they weren't spinning, but they were like sliding over every bump, and then when it rained, it was so much worse. It was so bad. So I ended up having a breakdown, like a mental, like I was really upset because I almost hit a car, which is not funny. I'm not laughing. I'm just like kind of laughing at the fact that I cried my lungs out. But it was the scariest shit. I almost went like that to a car, like not face or not back, but sideways, if that makes sense, because of how the like tires were slipping out. And yeah, so I nearly hit them. Adam was in front of me. Wait, no. Yeah. Wait, why was he in front of me? Oh, yeah. Adam was in front of me. And then like all of a sudden the car is spinning and there's like trucks that are massive that are overtaking me as well. And I'm like, fucking hell, this is so shit. And it got really bad. I couldn't help it, but I started crying, and then I had to pull over, and then I rung Adam, and I know he wouldn't like pick up because he was driving, but like I just wanted to like do some sort of thing to make him pull over. So he got like really worried because I was crying on the phone, and I think he thought I got into an accident, and I was like, no. I ended up sending him a message because I didn't want him to think that, and I also couldn't talk because of how much I was crying. I'm gonna race him. No! Okay. I let him win again, don't worry. Hello, my hair is a mess, but today's Thursday. I finished wrapping all the presents. That's them. Adam still has one present to make, and then I'll wrap that for him. So, yes, but I don't know what we're gonna do on her birthday yet, but I think we're doing something later in the holidays. We're going on a trip in the second week of the holidays, and I think at the trip we're going to do something there for her birthday. But anyways, today I have an online training thingy. Today's my last day. I still have to do some first aid stuff, which is annoying because I was supposed to do it last night and the dogs are like barking. I was supposed to do it last night and I got ready for it because we were out doing car stuff at Sydney. I stopped at a McDonald's and set everything up. I brought my laptop, my charger, my headphones and everything. I stopped there and she didn't even send me the link, so I was like emailing her and she didn't send me the link, so I have to do that another day now. And I think I have a practical tomorrow, but I'm really not sure yet because she hasn't really sent me anything. But I'm gonna do my regular training today. Today's the last day. It starts at 9:30 and goes to about 2, hopefully earlier because it's the last day. But I need to clean my room and have a shower. My hair is so yuck, but I can't wash it. Me and Adam are trying this thing where we can't, we'll go long, not who goes the longest, but we're just like trying to try this thing. It makes you, like, apparently not washing your hair is healthy for your hair. So some days are worse than others. I find if I brush it, it's better. Where's the brush? I don't know. Anyways, I am going to change the sheets on my bed, make my bed, clean my room, and then if I have time I will take a shower. Alright, bed's made. I haven't washed my doona cover in ages, so I just changed it to my other one that I have. Those pillows don't really go with it, but whatever, it looks fine. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash all that stuff, but it's definitely not gonna dry today. That's why I just used this one. So I'm gonna wash that, and then I have a lot to clean up. Yay.